Hi, I'm Jean Panikievner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is the final video in our 12-part Rosa for iOS user guide series. In this video, we will review troubleshooting tips and discuss ways of getting further support. If you don't know what Rosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in this series. A link to that is available in the video description below. Let's get started. Our support team is available by phone, email, or chat Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. We're happy to help with any sort of issue or concern and value your feedback. All emails are answered as quickly as possible, typically within a few hours of receipt during business hours. When you call in, you'll talk directly to a live person. No annoying phone menus and no long wait times. We work hard to keep our applications as user-friendly and bug-free as possible, so we know we'll never hear from most of you. When customers do have an issue, we're typically able to resolve things in just a few minutes. If that's not the case, we promise to work diligently toward a solution and to check back with you frequently. So what if you need support outside of normal business hours? As I mentioned before, you can send us an email and we'll answer as soon as possible the next morning. If you can't wait, here are a few tips. We have links to all of our support videos in the description below. This is a great place to start. We also have a support forum and FAQs available on our website. We update these frequently, so most of the time the solution will be available here. There are a few other tips you might try as well. Sometimes simply disconnecting your reader, waiting a few seconds, and then plugging it back in will solve all of your issues. You may see the error unable to establish a secure connection to the server when attempting to log into a website. If after several attempts you still get this message, close the app by tapping your home button twice and swipe the app off of the screen. Once the app is closed, open Rosa and try the website again. If you have chosen the wrong certificate, tap Action button, then tap Secure Reset. This will clear all certificate choices that we save as identity preferences. Rosa is a mobile web browser and requires your device to be connected to the internet via cellular or Wi-Fi. If you are unsure that your device is connected to the internet, open Safari and try going to www.thursby.com. If you're able to see this web page, try logging into a CAC-enabled website with Rosa. If the tips above aren't helping, please don't hesitate to reach out to us by phone, chat, or email. Don't feel like troubleshooting? We hope you'll give it a shot since so many issues can be solved so quickly. We understand, however, that sometimes there just isn't time. All of our products include a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means if you receive your reader and things don't work as expected, you're welcome to contact us for a refund. Thank you for your time today and throughout this entire series. I hope you found these videos helpful. If we neglect to cover anything you have questions about, please let us know. We can call, email, or simply leave us a comment below. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.